You think there's something that is yours. You think there's something that really belongs to you. And that's why most of you're really getting attached and holding on to everything that you come along. You get a car and then you hold on to it and it becomes part of your life. Losing it means stress or depression. You come across someone who is beautiful or handsome and you call them your spouse, and you hold on to them, you call them yours, and their absence would amount to stress, depression, and even suicide. You get a child and you call it yours and you hold on to it. Its absence would result to depression and grief and tears for the rest of your life. Nothing belongs to you. Nothing is yours. You came with nothing. You are living with nothing. Not even your name. You came without a name and you live without a name, because by the end of all, they call you a body. They say, we are going for the body of so and so. It's a body. That's all that came, and that's all that is living. You came without a name, you live without one. You came with nothing, you live with nothing. Everything that you interact with, businesses, people, lands, any asset, any material thing, you are here to just experience it, to just use it, to just have fun interacting with it, and you will take it nowhere. So don't hold on to things so tightly such that they become your identity. They become your definition. They become who you are, a part of you. Don't do that. So let us stay free of attachments. Enjoy everything. Use everything that you can use. Enjoy it while you have it. Because sooner or later, it will be gone and you will be gone as well. Even the child, it's not yours. Because you cannot claim to own the sperms or the ovum. You never created the egg, you never created the sperms. Things just appeared in your body. Even the body is not yours. You don't know how it came to be. You just ate and you don't know how food turned into a body. Don't hold on to anything. Don't hold on to anyone. Enjoy what you have while it lasts, or otherwise while you last. And remember, it's all a game. Don't take anything serious. It's a play, it's a game, it's a dream. Enjoy the game, enjoy the dream, and move on. There's nothing to hold on, there's nothing to keep. Remember, you don't see the reality. You see the illusion of the mind, the one that have been fed so well by the society. And now you call it reality. And the consequences of that, you call them fate. But all you are is a slave to the society. Wake up.